Hello and welcome back to the Discovery Workshop ASMR, and today I'm just doing a short unboxing and review video of this new little camping gas heater slash gas cooker that I purchased off Chaimi, and I'll leave a link to the description on it. So without further ado, I'll try and get into this and see how it goes. So, just gotta, hopefully this all works out. Here's the instruction manual. It says to familiarise yourself with. I don't know. It looks pretty straightforward. And see, it can be used as a gas cooker, which is pretty cool. Okay. So a nosy. Stand, so it can be positioned like that as a heater, or positioned down like that to heat your billy on. That's what it looks like in there. One seems to have a bit left in it, so I'll try one of those. Okay. It just fits in like that, but you have to make sure that the, what do you call it, there should be a thing, I imagine, that slides that in to have a quick nosy. Hang on, this is different to what I'm used to. Yeah, with the gas cookers I've used, there's normally a thing, that a lever that slides this onto it. Right. In theory, that's not much different, should just kind of go there, and then there should be something I flick to lock that in place with. Right. We have a look in the instruction manual. Before fixing the gas cartridge, please confirm the control knob is on the off. Open the slide cartridge. Sure. The cartridge in, make sure the gap in the cartridge aligns in the right position. Then push the cartridge in to connect to the valve. Ah, I see. So that's got to connect to the valve. Rotate the switch anti-clockwise and ignite. Then it says when used as a cooker, press the knob next to the handle and turn the Now you are to put the item on its back and use the stove. Should be pretty straightforward. See how it goes. That appears to be on and is pumping out heat, so that that feels relatively warm. What does it say? When using as a stove, avoid overflowing. After usage, do not touch the steel rack. Okay, that all seems pretty straightforward, but yeah, that's pumping out reasonable heat. Yeah, so that's I suppose all there is to it. It's a camping gas heater. Pretty warm, and it's also a gas cooker. So yeah, I think I'll wrap it up here. But yeah, please like and subscribe, and over and out. Cheers.